Alright, what's up guys, back in the Maverick. We just got the Lastfit LEDs installed, the switchbacks. So if you want to get them for your own truck, links gonna be in the description, but we're gonna get on to the install, so let's go do it. So today we got the Lastfit, I think that's how you say it. We got the switchback turn signal bulbs for the Maverick. So as you can see, they're yellow right now, like with the running lights. So they're gonna change it to white, and then they'll switch to amber when the turn signal's on, because I think it's gonna go better with our light kits that we have on. So let me get started. Turn these off. All right, so you come in to the hood. This one's your turn signal right here. Go ahead, bang, bang. You get this, right? Go off the yank, and we can come show you the difference in the garage. So here's the old bulb versus the new bulb, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but that looks like quite an upgrade to me. Look at all these LEDs versus this. This is some bullshit. I can't believe they are not LEDs by factory, even if they're worse ones than this. But this has some nice weight to it. Feel this.
You can do some of that.
Yeah. So I think they're gonna be brighter and look a lot better. Replace these. So let's go throw this in, see what happens. So it's the same way that it came out. You line these up with whatever. Shove them in. Look good. Test it. Yep. That'll do. Then we're gonna stick it back. Oops. Stick it back in the hole. Got a little practice with that, and then that's how it's done. And bang.
There you go.
What are we looking like?
You doing
Oh
something?
yeah, that looks way better.
Yeah.
What the?
Enemy spotted.
I'm just comic. Alright, anyways.
Everybody saw that, didn't you?
This looks. Here, let me see this. If you don't have half the light showing, which looks better? Man, it's blown out. Versus this. I think this looks way better. Then I can turn on the hazard so you can see.
Oh my god, that joint's brighter too.
Look at the house.
That joint's bright as shit.
Everybody's gonna know you're turning. And I think it's more amber. So it looks, this one is bright. So I think it looks better. It makes this one look real yellow, doesn't it?
Kinda.
They always been that yellow?
It's hard to tell. I'm blind now. I've been staring
This
at
light
it
is
now.
bright. Look.
Yeah. Here, look.
Doing something.
Alright, now the same thing on the other side.
Same thing on the other side. I don't know if y'all need to see this again, but I might as well show you, right? Pull, twist and pull. Yank. This thing is hot as a bitch. Yeah, that was hot.
I don't even know if they could see you.
You get this. Get off the shoving. That sounded good. Don't need to test it. No, it's gonna work. Man, I hope it works. Plug him in. Off the bang.
Yep.
It's on.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Now we're all white. White it out. Now let's get the hazards on.
Oh god, I'm done. Oh brother.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Let me see this. Look. Everybody in a 2-mile radius is gonna know you're turning when you got these on. So, turn the hazards off. Close this.
Man, it does look a lot better, huh?
Yeah.
Just everything all nice and white.
Yeah, you got all the light bars looking good. Everything matches, white, clean, looks new. LED. Well, shout out to, I left the bag inside, Lastfit. Link's gonna be in the description if you want to pick them up. I think it definitely looks way better than the than them being yellow all the time.
They can see the color. They can't see much else.
Yeah. And they're like 10 times as bright as the old ones. Why are you in my face like this?
What do you mean?
So, if you guys want to do this to your truck, links in the description. Go check them out. Kits, everything, all our parts. If you want the light bar, the top one, or the bottom ones, s1refinedtruck.com. Baby, 2 random scrubs code at checkout for 10% off. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. And we're going to see you in the next video on someday. So, see you then.